Hey guys, what's up? How's everyone? I hope everyone doing well and good health, inshallah. Today, when we are in the location of La Zeba plastic drum, the plastic drum case will follow the trick like second drum with fourth drum should be straight. Yeah, should be straight. The second drum, that one with the fourth drum. Then you will stop. You will turn fully right, and then you check from the right mirror about the both side or the first drum first. Then you will see your car bumper going inside. This is trick is good work, but always I like to student become near the drum, the best things, you know, so you can make sure you have more chance to fix, But if you want your car coming center, yeah, you can also. So the car between 8 drums, so you need to check only both side from left and right. When already is the both side is straight, she have to stop, and then she will fix the steering to straight, and she can go out of the 8 drums. Yeah. So second drum with the fourth, it is work for Toyota Yaris 2007 old model. There we go. Second with the fourth, no? That time little bit too late. You need more small step, But already you're inside. Do it again? Yeah. I just have to watch drum number 2, that one. With drum number 4, the last one, this one. Should be there facing each other together. Then she have to stop and turn for the right. Because you need to be careful about this trick. The time you become late, you become too tight from the left. But if you come early, you stop early and turn early, that's mean you are okay, you have to chance also. But second drum with the last drum 4, this one from left, should be straight, each other, become center in the door between 8 drums. Alright, if you turn now, let's see. Come on, Angel. Come on. Keep going. Yeah. You come inside, it's okay. He's late little bit, but it's okay for her. You can fix from there, yeah. So staying straight, and then she have to go back. Angel, don't go tight. You have to fix already, yeah, because you don't have chance. Then you have to go back straight. Yeah, he is in center, this side. If you are not fixing that time that you're steering too straight, you'll become tight from the right. But go to your fix. Good. So second drum with the fourth drum, it worked, yeah?
Yeah.
This is from right.
From first and 3, 90%.
Sorry?
First and 3. That time we can see.
Where?
First and 3, no?
Uh-huh.
When we are looking second and 4, that same.
The first drum,
Yeah.
2, 3, it's
And
become
the first and 3 also 90%.
90%. Okay. Okay, that's good. So, better to follow that second drum
Yeah,
with,
second and 4 is okay.
and fourth. Okay.
One
Good.
more time will go.
This is better. So, better you come early, you know? At least we can fix. We can keep the distance here 99, no problem. Or less 99.
Less 99.
Like 90. Okay, you will turn and you will see what is different. You will become too near from that drum, yeah? And try to keep distance. That's it. That is enough distance. Okay, like that. So the steering straight, and then should be opposite. Huh? 1 feet distance only. Yes.
Yeah.
And then you turn for the right again. For the left, sorry. And then when the both side is straight, huh? You stop. Bas. Check again. Check both sides. What's the difference between here and there?
Oh, yeah, no.
No, okay. Yeah, make sure here. Huh? After you can move back. So it's better for you to come early.
Yeah.
Sometimes work, but
center sometimes not working.
Sometime because you need
Better
to
90%.
you need to stop probably go there. Okay, now you're out, see? But you have to know also when you are coming near the drum, when you're keeping the size opposite 1 feet distance. Because if you go more, you become tight again. If you turn early before opposite, you become, tight again. Now we go right?
Right?
Now
Left
go.
again. One more time.
Yeah.
I
Okay,
want to
left.
make sure.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is like, see, what you're doing now. If you look to the 4 drum from the first, that one is in the middle,
Oh, yeah.
between 2.
Yeah.
The second, with the second drum 2 here in the middle. And that one,
Third drum should be middle. No.
yeah, third drum, that one. Third drum, okay. Should be middle between 2 drum.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I will try.
Yeah. Hi, Shabab.
He came.
he helped you, you know?
He helped me.
Sadi, he helped you, huh? He's my friend. Yeah. And again, you come same before, I think. Yeah. So be careful now. Be careful about the distance, the handle. Bas, that's it.
Yeah.
Because here to here. So, what do you think?
No, correct. Okay.
Correct? Yeah. Thanks, Rit. When you move back, you can check also how's your car going.
Yeah.
Safety from there, safety from here. You can keep going. But if not safety, you will feel like the mirror touch, you will stop. But I think it's okay. Yeah. The last drum. The last time it will be problem
it
for
will
you.
be bad.
Because, you
Then
need-
what to do? This only I want to do.
Yeah, what you to do?
Uh,
This is the last drum because of the mirror go to touch.
Then
Easy. Turn left.
turn left
Yeah.
fully.
Yeah, and half turning is okay. Half turn. That's it. Yeah. It will go away.
Okay. Then straight.
You stop because one step back.
Finish then stop.
Because this one also, if you go more back, you will touch.
Okay.
So better things you turn full.
Fully left.
Full left. Why? So you can make the size quick,
Okay,
you know,
okay.
not too slow.
Okay. Now we'll go to right.
Yeah, go to the right. Here you have to know how you are going. Tight from there, turn left.
Okay.
When car straight, you're staying straight. Be careful
Okay.
when you're moving, okay? Yeah. So check good from left and right. You will turn, yeah.
I think
Not yet. Not yet. Now. What do you think?
no, from next month always too much checking, no? Better to get license first.
About what checking?
This transportation and they are checking, no?
Why you look at that side?
I sorry.
Okay. So you will become
And for
second and four, huh? You will follow that trick? Okay.
good enough.
Tell me if you see that 1 second with the four.
1 minute. I couldn't see.
You see?
Yeah, now correct. Second and four.
Yeah, okay. So that in center also. Okay. Turn for the right. Right. Move, yeah. There's a line also, but you cannot see the line from there. Even the test, you cannot see the line. That is more than. See, you have the problem there now. This is not second and with the four?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I cannot see from there. Look for there. Ah, it's coming. Okay. Keep going. Only keep going. But I cannot see that side. Yeah, you become correct. Go ahead. Continue.
Little bit. Okay, now.
شوية.
So yeah.
Good tight from there, no? But at least you can see that line. And now go back and check both sides when you are your car inside.
From here I think we'll touch.
No, you are okay. Like touch, not touch. Us. You want center, not touch. See? Aywa. See? Both side, okay. You have to look also that side. Time to time you have to look. Okay, done. Good. Yalla, we'll go slow one time.
Yeah.
Go back. More. Stop.
Okay.
We will go where? To the slope. Turn right first, no?
Right now, here, no?
Yeah, of course.
But one days.
Turn. Where?
There we are going, no?
Yeah, to the slope. Turn. Fix your steering, no? Fix your steering to the straight. Aywa. Go in there and you have to stop. You will see the line there, no? Go ahead, straight. Go ahead. Move down. Here, stop before line. Up. Little up. Stop here. So, handbrake up. No, the handbrake only.
Okay.
Handbrake up.
Okay.
The gear already drive, no? Okay, I will count for you.
Okay.
Wait. there will be signal there. Red first. After that, there will be for you green. 1, press the accelerator. 2, 3. Under brake down. Don't go fast. No need.
Okay.
Continue. Be careful about your. And you go down. Slowly also. Keep your feet at the brake because many students, when they finish the slope, they go down. They will.
They will wait.
They will press the accelerator. No, they will not press the brake by mistake.
Okay.
So what will happen?
They will
Accident.
hit.
They will hit anyone there. It's happened many times. So be careful because no need to press when you are going down from the slope. No need to press again to the accelerator. No, keep your feet at the brake to slow down because already going slope, the car going. No need. Yeah, we do it again.
Yeah.
Not yet.
No. I just,
There you go. Stop there one time in the before the line. Stop here.
okay.
See? The signal green. Under brake is up. 1, 2. Super. Go. Yes. And then when you're going going down the slope, even the test, keep your feet at the brake.
Okay.
Why? Because no need accelerator.
Okay.
Because many students they do mistake there. They are pressing the foot of the accelerator and then the car will fly like Superfly Saluka. Yeah, go slow. Yeah, we go now. Halas, yeah. Thank you, Angel.